Looks like poop. Hi, Beauty Trippin, what's up? We're in Vancouver at LUSH.
So in case you guys missed it, last week we were here too. Here's what happened.
Perfect giant rose pasta.
If one LUSH experience was not enough, these people are basically Santa Claus come to life because they're letting us shoot another episode today.
So Joslyn and I are taking the reins on this episode. I know Lily was with us.
I don't know what happened
At
to
one
her,
point.
but whatever.
Alas.
She's around here somewhere.
All right, Joslyn, so you have the clue.
I have the clue.
What does it say?
Oh, how fitting. A caffeine addict's dream.
That seems like it was set up. But
It actually was not
set up at
I
all.
asked someone like 5 minutes ago if I could go to their coffee maker and make this black cup of coffee. I feel like it's a see it, dream, and believe it.
It applies. We drink so much coffee, you and I together, so this is very on brand for us. What could it be?
Hey, girl.
This is lunch.
Oh,
So good.
But I think we're ready for part 2 if you'll
Part
have us.
2, totally. Any guesses as to what you think
It's
it's gonna
gotta be like the cup of coffee mask
Yes.
or scrub.
Cup of coffee face mask
Ooh,
and
that-
body scrub. You can use it anywhere on
Both?
your body too.
Ooh.
It is
So we're gonna
amazing.
So it actually has caffeine powder in it and ground coffee beans. So both of those are super stimulating for your skin to kind of wake it up, just like a cup of coffee would in the morning.
Yes?
And then there's also lots of agave syrup in it, which is super soothing for your skin.
Oh.
Yes.
Well, take
all
us to the
feels.
snacks.
Totally. So we're
It's
gonna
edible?
go
Exactly,
to
it
the fresh
is.
room. That's where we're headed right now to
Okay.
make a cup of coffee.
Okay,
Great.
Okay,
let's
let's
do
go.
it. I'll follow you.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
It smells very fresh.
It smells like that. Hi.
Love it. Hi. I'm Erin.
I'm Alex.
Hi, Joslyn.
Nice to meet you as well.
So we're really excited about this coffee mask. I use it, and I know Erin's gonna love it so much.
You guys want to get your hands
Let's
dirty?
do
Yeah.
The first thing we're going to do is make fresh coffee. So we're going to make a giant tea bag of it.
So we're brewing. Stop.
Fresh coffee?
Do you ever drink? Oh my gosh, there's so much fresh coffee.
Seriously?
Do you ever drink it or eat it?
It's not very delicious. So
Oh, why not?
Only because the way we source our coffee is that
It smells amazing from here.
Can we eat it?
Wow, that smells fantastic.
So the coffee is sourced from a co-op in Peru.
Cool.
And it's called, what we use is called seconds. So the seconds are coffee beans that aren't, they don't score high enough to be used for actual like consumption.
So you're giving like a
So we're
coffee
giving
at home
we're giving
that
it
needs a
second life.
home.
So
I like
it's kind
that.
of one of our initiatives that we take to just reduce our footprint and we're not
Wow.
waste of coffee. Because there's nothing wrong with it. We just doesn't taste as good as it would normally.
I thought it tastes pretty nice. Alex, this is her photo.
Oh my gosh, look.
She makes this, and if you're in Lush, you can literally buy the coffee mask that Alex makes.
But see, this is her new one because she likes to change it up with her hair. What does this mean? Like, what is being a compounder all about?
Yeah, so a compounder, someone like Alex or Vaughn or Eric that you guys met before, they're all compounders. So it means that they make the products by hand.
And you know, like when you buy products and it says like handmade or organic, you just have to like trust that it is. In the back of my mind, I always question it. You know what I mean? But being able to be here,
Not
and
anymore.
literally, we are making it ourselves. It is mind blowing.
Totally.
Special.
Well,
You guys'
congrats.
names are also on those stickers because you're going to be helping me.
What?
Wait.
Oh my
Wait,
gosh.
wait. Are you serious?
What?
Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
So the next thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna brew our coffee. So
Okay,
we're gonna go over to our giant kettle and get some hot water.
Holy cow.
This is so easy.
Just stand back, you're gonna get a nice facial.
Yeah, oh, that sounds good though. I like
and
that.
open it up.
Me?
Is that the lid?
That's the lid.
Wow. I feel like it's like a witch's brew in there.
It's like a cauldron.
Also, I've heard that caffeine is really good for cellulite.
Yes, it is. So it actually tones and tightens. So you're putting all of these different combinations.
I wanna
in.
put it
Get
all
a full
over.
body mask.
It's
It
some-
is. It's a head to toe mask.
Someone here told me that this is also good for your butt. You
It's
cannot
there.
neglect your butt. It is a very important accessory.
Gotta give it a good scrub.
It
Yes.
is. Just a bunch of caffeine powder.
A bunch of caffeine powder. Careful with this.
I
stuff.
would not
It's,
like to accidentally
What?
eat that.
Why?
Because you'll die.
Yeah.
It's too much caffeine.
A lot.
It's saturated.
It's literally just
So I can't eat it.
That's like what
no,
Jesse.
don't eat that one. We're gonna weigh this out, and then we whiz it with a little bit of glycerin just to emulsify it.
Okay.
So this is glycerin.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
This looks like
This-
something like a superhero would emerge out
No.
of the moment.
Yes, I was gonna say an alien, you know?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I'll let one of you guys whiz this.
Wow.
Joslyn, I think you should.
Okay.
be honest.
I'm so good at baking, as everyone knows.
Are you
All
a
right.
baker?
No. I'm good at coffee. Do I put it in and then
Yeah,
stir?
yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, so just kind of bounce it up and down. You just want to make sure all the colors is all there.
This looks really cool.
So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pour our brewed coffee into our bowl.
I'm not really good at
I'll
pouring.
do
You
it. I'll
pour.
do it.
You pour. You've got better aim.
Go kind of slow because you're gonna lose your coffee bag into
Okay.
there and it'll be splashing.
So, all right. This is pretty much what I do every day when I wake up in the morning in my tiny, tiny studio apartment.
Okay, so we're gonna add our clay, and that's just gonna kind of bring everything together.
Okay. What kind of clay is this? Is
It's
it like?
called Bento.
Oh, okay. Not that I
was like, that's interesting.
Is it like red
Where does
clay?
Benton come from?
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna push this button here,
Yeah.
and then this button here is gonna actually turn it on.
Woo!
I lifted
So-
some 5-pound weights this morning on
You're
the
ready.
treadmill.
Oh,
I
you're
don't-
ready.
I have mine. It's
Just
just
use
tired.
both hands, you know?
Josh, you might have to help me.
I
You
will.
wanna
I'll
help
gladly
me?
help. Okay,
Ready?
Go. Yep. Look at that! Wow! We're doing it! It's like a huge smoothie. I think you're doing great on your own. You tell me! Is it good?
Okay, we need about 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes?
Do you need a break?
Go.
How those biceps?
My.
Full body workout.
It's a full body workout.
Mind and
I don't know.
body.
It might just be honestly the way you're doing it.
So the next thing we're gonna add is the agave syrup. So
Okay.
the agave syrup is going to help preserve it. So
Alright.
a lot of our products are self-preserving, which means we don't add anything in them.
Preservatives.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can
I
taste
mean-
this one also.
Can I just like lick the lid of
Yeah,
this?
go for it. You do you, girl.
Really good.
Tastes like maple syrup. Straight out of a Canadian tree, probably.
This is so good.
Do you wanna dump this in there?
Yeah, let's do it.
That looks pretty heavy. Beware.
Stronger than you know.
Honestly, that looks really heavy.
Actually, it's
Oh my god, this whole thing is it gonna go?
Not your bag.
I'm going all in, all in, all in. Lift with your legs. Don't forget, lift with your legs. Too late. Do you have a spatula?
Yeah.
Oh, I would love a spatula. I don't want to let any of this go to waste. This is insane. So we're putting all of that agave.
Yeah.
this one too. We're putting all of that in here.
Oh yeah.
Seriously?
Every last drop.
John, there's
You
enough.
batch, I'll load.
Okay, sounds great.
Wow.
Watch out, we're coming
Oh
in.
my God.
Coming in. Ooh. Dang, you guys, this is insane.
right,
How much
coming in.
agave is this?
This is I can't tell you.
A lot. Oh, it's a secret.
It's a secret.
Proprietary information. It's starting to look really good
You know what
though.
you're doing. You're already halfway.
I'm good at something.
Wow, this is like magma. Literally.
This is a lot messier than being in ballistics, I think.
It's pretty messy in here, but when you leave ballistics or bubbles department, you are looking like a full-on rainbow. The color just
fun.
seeps into everything. It is really fun.
And honestly, like, where is Lily?
Yeah, rainbows. This like, makes you think of Lily. Where is she?
Meanwhile.
Roll it in there.
And then we dust some shit on.
Yeah.
Does one of you want to add your caffeine powder and glycerin
for it.
and then give this a good whiz?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I gotta
I'm the
grab
wizard.
gloves again. I'm gonna grab some gloves. Okay,
Ready?
You know what to
Ready.
do. You know what to do, Erin.
Your whiz master.
Still really need to do this. Okay, so what's next?
What's next is we're gonna add our, it's called our EC. It's our essential component.
Oil.
Love that.
Exactly.
Ooh, I
Wood
love that.
Yeah, so we'll go ahead and add this one in and then we'll give it a good mix.
I love for all of that. You only need that little bit.
You know, it's quite,
And now the coffee.
now the ground coffee.
It's ready.
The last
Wow.
thing that goes in.
And we just use that tea bag of coffee grounds, or is it different?
Nope, we use different coffee.
Okay.
So you guys can go ahead and
Just start dumping it here.
Thanks, girl.
Wow, this is getting very full.
That's why we're gonna add the last bag of powder later, otherwise
Oh, it'll overflow.
yeah, super messy.
And then this one, you'll tell me when to stop?
Yeah. Right there.
Done.
That's actually perfect.
Just enough for me to take home for tomorrow.
So these are basically just like mixers you would have at home to make brownies, but in really big size.
A lot bigger.
It takes about 15 minutes. You don't want to overdo it, otherwise you put a lot of air into it, and then you end up underfilling the pots like Photoshop. And we don't want to lowball you guys.
No.
Let's sell air.
No,
Honestly,
that
you
would
don't.
be silly.
You
That
guys
would be
don't.
silly.
There it is. Look at
Is
that.
that what it looks like?
Oh my gosh, yeah, pretty much. I mean, I feel like it looks a little lighter. It smells so amazing.
You guys want to take some home with you?
Leda.
Yes. We made this with our own blood, sweat, and tears. No
I
blood.
hope you didn't bleed in it.
No, we did not.
No.
All right, so you can just go ahead and scoop it out.
It's like we're like eating out of a big crock pot or something. For Lily, we don't know what happened to her, but she was
Something
no
tells me she's somewhere in the glitter
living her
world.
best life. This is so much coffee now.
It's a lot.
Like it
And
didn't
we're
go
gonna make
down
that-
at all.
You guys ready for the very last step?
There's more? What else do we do?
Well, you gotta put a face on it.
Oh! This is my favorite part. Wait, so is this gonna go out? Might someone get this?
You're gonna sell
In the
this,
store?
right?
We're gonna sell it at the store.
Where do I put it? Right here?
Yeah.
Anywhere?
Wherever you want.
Look! It's us! Well, it's mostly Alex, but it's us! Well, I mean, I feel like we accomplished so much, and I have to say, seriously, thank you so much to everyone at LUSH for surpassing our wildest dreams.
And I feel like we're part of the LUSH family now, and all their products, you guys, are handmade, and I'm so obsessed with this company and what they do for the environment and the world. Like, we should always be supporting them.
100%. Plus, the products are freaking
Amazing.
awesome. And if you go to the store right now or click the link, you might even get one that was made by us. You're welcome.
All right, you guys, that's it for this Beauty Trippin'. Let us know in the comments if we should do something else cool. Where else should we go?
Should we come back to the coop or go somewhere else?
Let's come back to the coop.
Let's do it.
All right,
Bye,
you guys.
Bye.
P.S. I don't work here now. I'm still here. We're going home.
Where have you been all day?
Making unicorn.
Oh my
Of
gosh.
course you would be.
You would be.
Bye.
For more clever style, click that box over on the left to see Dude View, where a bunch of dudes talk about just being friends. Or click that box over on the right to see part 1 of our visit to LUSH, where we made rose bath bombs.